Bullish estimates for how much Algorand will cost in 2030 run from 81 cents to 1.55 cents. Experts in the market agree that a LGO could be worth 63 cents by 2025. Bearish, the price of Algorand on the market is expected to be 14 cents in 2023. Presentation of Algorand. Since its start in 2019, the Algorand digital currency has had trouble rising above its ICO value. In September 2021, the price of a LGO went up because the blockchain and coin banks worked together to improve El Salvador's digital money system. Even though it lost most of these additions this way, experts at sites that estimate prices are hopeful that it will reach similar levels again one day. Then, to figure out what will happen with the altcoin, we should look at the Algorand blockchain's activity and depth and study its price growth. What is Algorand? The Algorand blockchain uses Algo as its local cache to solve the problem of security, speed, and independence. Algorand does this by making and accepting its blocks using an agreement method called an adulterated confirmation of stake. How much a client LGO bets affect how randomly the block is placed. Pick the Chief and the approved counselor. Algorand was created by Professor Silvio Macaulay of the Massachusetts Institute of Technology in the United States in 2017. Its blockchain and local currency came out in June 2019. The price of Algo coin dropped quickly the day after it was introduced. In June 2019, Algo sent out its underlying coin offering with a price tag of $2.40. On the first day of trading, June 22, the price fell to $2.16. This was just the beginning, as the price continued to drop over the next few months, reaching a low of 19 cents on September 27, 2019. This crash happened for a number of reasons. The first was the 10 billion shares of symbolic stock that would be given out step by step. Algorand said that 3 billion LGO will be sold to the public in the first 5 years after the organization's foundation. Even though the public premium was high, the market couldn't handle the huge size of LGO and financial backers' $24 billion value. One more expected to think about how the value of Algo's cash was broken down was private investors bought a LGO through confidential situation adjustments that set the price of the coins between 5 cents and 50 cents. When the token was delivered, it was worth $2.16, allowing private investors to make huge gains. Chen Fong, who used to be in charge of Algorand creation projects, sent a letter to the monetary local area. According to Worldwide Coin Research, the letter said that early supporters had put the cause at great risk by undercutting and unloading coins. Algorand's research shows that after being added to Coinbase, the price of Algo's currency went up. It was one of the fastest on the platform, and when the news came out, the price had gone up about 30 cents over the next year and a half. Algo tried to get past the 50 cents edge and do better than its base price. Despite a few small increases, the money started to move up at the beginning of 2021. Throughout the year, this trend was backed by the token, which reached a long-term high of 1.71 cents. Like the previous price drop of the LGO, this rise could have been caused by a number of things. Stablecoin interest was the first stablecoin to combine the constant quality of government-issued money with the decentralized features of digital currency. Algorand has become a serious choice for stablecoin backers because Ethereum has high gas costs. This is because Algorand and the momentary currency are working together. Market exchange platform Instamatch around the world. Algorand also stood out. Algorand dealt with Algorand, which was worth 18 cents USD at the time. Algo has changed 2.61% so far, and there have been 37,610,339 trades. Algorand is currently ranked number 42 among all cryptographic kinds of money, with a market capitalization of $1,310,728,565 USD. Our cost expectation figures apply continuous Algorand market information, and all other information are updated live on our site. This lets us make dynamic price predictions based on how the market is moving right now. Algorand Value Expectation 2023. From some points of view, Algorand is one of the most surprising digital currencies to rise this year. The Algo cost gauge for 2023 predicts a big rise in the last part of the year, possibly up to 27 cents. This is similar to the rise of other cryptographic currencies. Will be steady, but there shouldn't be any big price drops. An average price of 25 cents is very high, but it's possible sooner rather than later, given the planned joint efforts and improvements. The base value of Algo should be 21 cents. Algorand Price Prediction 2024. Of every Algorand, Algo has a lot of room for growth due to the likely announcements of many new companies and initiatives. We think that the price of a LGO will soon go above 45 cents, but we should wait to see if the Algo's overall strength record comes out of the oversold zone before making any bullish bets. This is because of the volatility of the market. Algorand Value Expectation 2025. If the pattern stays the same until 2025, it could hit 63 cents, and a LGO could benefit if the market goes through a decay. The goal might not be reached. In 2025, a LGO should be worth between 58 cents and 54 cents on average. How if Algorand works well, we can expect the grand value to be higher in 2026. Market sentiment among digital currency fans is that the Algo coin price could stay stable for the next 5 years. According to our projections, Algo will be green in 2026. This is when Algo is expected to hit and surpass its all-time high. The virtual cash will be worth 81 cents in 2026, with a starting price of 72 cents and an average price of 76 cents. Algorand Value Expectation 2027. After doing some general guanging and more in-depth research, we think the Algo cost will reach a usual value of 94 cents by 2027. With a base price of 90 cents expected by the end of the year. Also, Algo's highest value is worth $1. Algorand Value Expectation 2028 is important because it shows things that are supposed to happen in businesses by 2020. We think that a bullish pattern will keep pushing the average price up to around $1.13. If LGO can break the safe level in 2028, the highest price could be $1.18. If AI doesn't get the help it needs by 2028,